Today, we will talk about how to start a gardening club. Let's have a look at the details. Gardening clubs provide a way for gardening enthusiasts to collaborate, learn about plants and growing techniques, and even share resources, depending on the needs and expectations of the group. Gardening clubs may operate under formal charters and rules, or simply may be a group of friends getting together to discuss gardening topics. The first method is gather a core group of gardening enthusiasts. Start a gardening club with a few gardeners dedicated to forming an organized group. An ideal size for a core group is about 3 to 5 people. Ask friends, neighbors, or co-workers who are interested in gardening to help you form the club. The core group can organize the launch meeting and set the basic framework for the garden club. The second method is plan the launch meeting for the garden club. Set a date and time for the launch meeting. If the core group determines the garden club will meet in the evening, organize the first meeting for an evening. If the core group prefers a daytime meeting, plan the launch meeting for during the day. Choose a location for the first meeting. Consider meeting at a local garden center, botanical garden, or community center for the first meeting. Avoid meeting in someone's home because potential new members may not feel comfortable going to a meeting at the home of someone they don't know. Determine the format for the launch meeting. To attract people to the meeting, consider scheduling a horticulture lecture, a hands-on flower arranging program, or a plant exchange. A planned activity or event is more likely to draw people to your club. Include time to present information about the new gardening club to attendees. Plan to distribute flyers about the club and ask attendees to provide contact information so they can be notified about future meetings. Promote the launch meeting. Distribute flyers at local garden centers, community centers, botanical gardens, and coffee shops. Ask each member of the core group to bring a few friends to the launch meeting. Personal invitations are the most effective way to encourage membership and participation in a gardening club. The third method is to establish a leadership and organizational structure for the garden club. Elect or appoint officers for the garden club. All organizations benefit from strong leaders who take responsibility for furthering the mission of the group. Determine goals for the garden club. Write down the goals and refer to them frequently to keep the garden club focused on its mission. Establish an organizational structure for the garden club. If the garden club is a local, independent group, consider establishing some organizational guidelines, such as bylaws and membership requirements. Determine an ongoing meeting schedule. Choose a specific day and time to meet each month. Select a name for the garden club. Determine if the garden club should open a bank account. Be sure to designate a treasurer who will be responsible for financial matters for the club. And the fourth method is publicize the garden club. Invite neighbors and friends to the garden club meetings. A personal invitation is the most effective way to grow any organization. Post flyers and signs in the community. Display flyers promoting the garden club meetings at garden centers, community centers, libraries, coffee shops, religious organizations, and schools. Partner with a local garden center to promote the garden club. Set up a social networking page promoting the garden club. Online social networking sites offer marketing opportunities. Set up a Facebook page or a Twitter feed, and invite others to follow the garden club. Publicize the garden club in your local newspaper. Include information about the garden club meetings and events in the datebook, calendar, or gardening sections of your local newspaper. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.